Protects steering wheel from wear, sun damage, and sweat while enhancing grip and interior style. My today's video is about top 5 best car wheel covers that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Ouzorp Car Wheel covers. This microfiber leather steering wheel cover combines style, comfort, and protection for your vehicle. Crafted with high-quality microfiber leather and reinforced stitching, it's durable, wear-resistant, and designed to withstand daily use while giving your car interior a sleek, streamlined look. The elegant black design adds a touch of sophistication and uniqueness to any vehicle. Designed for standard steering wheels measuring 14.5 to 15 inches, 37 to 39 centimeters, it offers a snug, glove-like fit. The inner rubber layer with anti-slip lining ensures excellent grip and stability, protecting your steering wheel from sun damage, high temperatures, scratches, and hand sweat. Driving feels secure and comfortable even on long trips. Installation is simple. Warming the cover under sunlight or with a hairdryer helps achieve a tight fit in 3 easy steps. Waterproof and easy to clean, it can be wiped with a damp cloth to remove dirt. Backed by responsive customer support, this steering wheel cover is a stylish, protective, and practical upgrade for any car. Now our second product is Valleycomfy Car Wheel covers. This high-quality microfiber leather steering wheel cover combines comfort, durability, and practicality. The soft, breathable leather feels great to the touch, providing a luxurious grip while driving. Its premium rubber inner layer with anti-slip lining ensures excellent control and stability, enhancing safety on the road. Packed in a high-quality frosted plastic bag, the cover maintains its pristine appearance without creases, making it visually appealing upon arrival. Designed for most standard mid-size steering wheels with a 15-inch diameter, it offers a snug, glove-like fit. Installation is simple and hassle-free. Just place the cover on top of the steering wheel, press and hold the upper section, and gradually lower it on both sides until tightly secured. Lightweight, durable, and easy to maintain, this steering wheel cover not only protects your steering wheel from wear and tear but also elevates the look and feel of your car's interior, making it a practical and stylish upgrade for daily driving. Our third product is Fhqsx Car Wheel covers. This microfiber leather steering wheel cover combines comfort, style, and protection for your car. Made from soft, breathable, and durable microfiber, it features an odor-free anti-slip inner layer and precision stitching, offering a stable, heat-resistant, and eco-friendly grip. Skid-proof and comfortable, it ensures safe and pleasant handling in all driving conditions. Not only does it protect your steering wheel from wear and tear, but it also hides existing damage, instantly upgrading your car's interior with a sleek, luxurious look. The padded, breathable design keeps hands warmer in winter and cooler in summer while absorbing sweat, providing a more comfortable and secure grip. Universal fit for 15-inch standard steering wheels, the ductile material makes installation quick and effortless, no tools required. Backed by a 30-day warranty and 100 money-back guarantee, this steering wheel cover offers peace of mind and reliable performance. Stylish, practical, and high quality, it's an excellent upgrade for daily driving and long trips. Now number 4, Elantrip Car Wheel covers. This universal steering wheel cover is a practical and stylish upgrade for most vehicles. Designed to fit standard 14.5 to 15-inch, 37 to 38 centimeters steering wheels, it's compatible with sedans, SUVs, and RVs, providing a snug, glove-like fit when properly measured. The textured inner ring with anti-slip lining ensures the cover stays securely in place, offering enhanced grip and confident control during daily commutes or long trips. Crafted from durable, wear-resistant microfiber leather with reinforced stitching, it protects your wheel from abrasion, scratches, and sun damage. The low-odor rubber inner layer is easy to clean with a damp cloth, keeping maintenance simple, comfortable for all seasons. The smooth, balanced surface reduces palm sweat and provides a secure hold. Installation is simple in 3 steps. Warm the cover, align at the top, pull down, and adjust for a perfect fit. No tools required. With reliable quality and easy support, this cover is a durable, comfortable, and stylish addition to any vehicle. And our last choice is SEG Direct Car Wheel covers. This fluffy pink steering wheel cover adds a fun, trendy, and luxurious touch to any car interior. Made from premium high-grade plush, it feels soft and cozy, keeping your hands warm and comfortable during cold winter drives while elevating your car's style. Designed with attention to detail, the elastic sides match the plush color, and its 3.3-inch width provides a secure grip for better control and safer driving. The set includes both a steering wheel cover and a matching gearshift cover, creating a coordinated and stylish interior that stands out from ordinary car accessories. Installation is quick and effortless, thanks to the high elasticity of the material, fitting 98 of standard steering wheels in under 20 seconds. Combining comfort, charm, and practicality, this steering wheel and gearshift cover set is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their vehicle's aesthetic while enjoying a cozy, soft grip every time they drive. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.